Hello you all, this is Donald Akave here. We got a northbound and it's coming right there. You can see it's right down there. Look at him! Oh dude, he's coming. Here he comes. Alright, no more photo. No, I'm not taking photos right now of the train.
Let's see what this first guy is.
Yeah, we'll find out where he is as soon as he flies by.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is Donald Akave. I tend to do live streams. I'll do another one after this until he gets here. Right now, I'm gonna do one more. This is going to be the most stupid thing I've ever done in my life. All right, that's the most stupid thing I've ever done. Here he comes.
Here comes this guy. See what's on there.
Oh, is that? It's a rock train? Ready to get your ears blasted, Tony? ES44 and an SC70M. Yep, that's a gravel. That's a limestone train. Oh, you got something on the car. There's something on the car. More stuff tied on the car. Yeah, I can't see anything. I can't see the end, so when it ends in a while. He's long. That's a long train right there. Oh, you got GPU. Got an SC70 ACE at the end. 8104. Well, you all, that was the Union Pacific rock train. We'll be getting 2 more trains after this. Hope you all enjoyed that. Bye.